everybody, this is another video in my series on upcoming API events. The event I want to talk about today is API Days Helsinki, which happens May 28 and 29. As you may be able to tell, this is not Helsinki, but we're just done with the last API Days events, which is, as you may have guessed, API Days New York. It was great, new record attendance, lots of great presentations, a lot of great discussions, time to just talk with people in the API community, lots of fun, lots of interesting conversations, and I look forward to the same thing in Helsinki. As here in New York, we will also have the Open API Initiative's OAI Track with specific presentations on why standards are useful, how they can help you, how to best use them, what's developing in the API standards world. So that's going to be interesting. This track has been really successful. We've done it for a year now. And there also will be API masterclasses. So these will be half-day events where we talk about various topics in depth. I will teach one on platform strategy and engineering. So if you're interested in that, check it out. And generally speaking, I'm looking forward to, once again, meet up with the API family and API community. It's always great to meet old friends and new friends, to talk about people who do interesting things, to hear about what they like and what they find interesting. And this is what will happen in Helsinki. So check it out. I'll link to the event page from this video, of course. It's going to be, like I said, May 28th, 29th. So in about 4 weeks, I think. So not too far away. For me, it's time to go home. And then I'll have a little downtime. And after that, I'll be ready to check out Helsinki and enjoy very different scenery, but also it's a very, very nice place. So I hope to see you there. And until then, or until next time on this channel, keep getting APIs to work. Bye-bye and all the best.